What if foreman could monitor an entire construction site using smart glasses, drones, and AI assistants? Pwede ba yun?
Ano, Dep? Takas lang Iron Man?
Budget-friendly iron.
Ay haan, construction worker premium version. Kailangan na subscription.
BFF Premium.
Ay, mabalbalin.
So, before we start, let's introduce ourselves again.
So again, I am Yona, also known as Giona, because laging online para kay Crush.
Shoutout mo naman yan.
Shout out!
Sige na. Huwag ka na mahiya. And again, I'm Leanne, your certified Lay Analyze Everything girl. CEO, screenshot muna bago mag-reply kay Crush.
And I am Ira, also known as a relationship expert. Kasi nalay na agbigay ti love advice kan Lay angem kumaplay babagi.
Ako, walang problema. Love life ko tata.
Future architect behavior.
Future foreman behavior din. Namin, nalipatan yon.
But before we begin to our topic, shout out muna sa ating classmates, instructors, especially to Sir Jezreel. Good morning, sir.
Shout out,
Sir.
met. Kan dagi tayo,
Construction
friends ko
workers
dita.
tayo.
Agdingig, kay nga nalaig.
Construction workers and foremen to NWU. Good morning.
Good morning.
Again, for this episode,
We are exploring possible future.
The future of foreman and construction workers.
so for our first question, what is the future of foremen and construction workers? So, paano kaya nila mababago ang foremen and construction workers? Any thoughts, Giona and Leanne?
Feeling ko, nga puro manual labor.
True, imagine construction worker at dati side by side nga robots, mabaling garod.
Tapos ang at the work best in a robot?
When, nga glilibon, di ba?
Pero hindi rin siya nanggugos.
Sana all.
Guys,
Ano all, di ba? Giti na lang nga ghost dita.
Okay.
So imagine this, future construction site. May worker na magsasabi, robot pakidala nga yung steel beams.
tapos sagot yung robot ko, sure, unlike your ex, I care responsibilities.
Grabe naman.
Ano yan, AI with emotional damage?
Pero seryoso, posible talaga, DJ.
Yes, future technologies like drones, smart helmets, and AI systems could assist construction workers.
Tapos makikita yung progress na.
Pero instead of spending or checking the entire site, a foreman could use smart glasses tay konaktat tay.
So, halo kailangan nga ag-walk dyan buong salten. Halo kailangan ti aglakad.
Well, pwede rin ng mas mabilis siguro din yung monitoring.
Na data parang may live update ganon. Future foreman starter pack, smart glasses, tablet, AI assistant, ultimate coffee.
Most importantly, the coffee nga favorite mo dyan, Starbucks at favorite mo, Giona.
Signature chocolate lang.
Ay, matcha latte na klata. Pero feel ko kanay nga Starbucks, kasang malugi di kumpanya. Kanay nga Starbucks, latamit ti kapeta. Mabali 3-in-1 lata.
Yeah, let's support local coffees, everyone.
True.
Again, example scenario. Let's imagine a future construction project.
Okay, picture this.
Year 2045.
Apay itong 2045. Medyo matanda tayo ito, DJ.
Excuse me, timeless tayo, no?
Continue.
A foreman's arrive at the construction site.
Instead of checking papers, he opens a digital dashboard.
Oh, very futuristic.
Then an AI assistant say, "Good morning, construction progress is currently 78%. 3 safety concern detected."
Di ba? Tapos adati drone nga agdiklikos nga ginspec, di ba?
Ay, nag-efficient naman.
Yes.
Kasi less time, more productivity ka, no?
Kan mas safe pa, di ba?
Agreed.
Yes.
Okay, for our segment number 2, benefits and challenges. But before that, let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Yes.
The sound sensation across the nation.
107.5. U Radio, your university your radio.
The Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering is a 4-year course that encompasses the discipline embodying the science and technology of designing, constructing, implementing, and maintaining software and hardware components of modern computer systems. With a degree in computer engineering, you can be a software developer, computer network architect, web developer, software engineer, and more. Be a computer engineering student at Northwestern University.
The Bachelor of Arts in Communication is a 4-year degree program intended for individuals who wish to pursue a career in the fields of media, advertising, public relations, and similar industries. It discusses how different media platforms are able to relay information through verbal and nonverbal messages. With a degree in communication, you can be a journalist, social media manager, events planner, or even a public relations manager, among other options. Be a communication student at Northwestern University. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology, or BS Psych, is a 4-year program designed to help you observe human behavior through the scientific method, allowing you to gain access to the human psyche and fathom its depths. With a degree in psychology, you can be a counselor, clinical psychologist, therapist, and a psychotherapist, among other options. Be a psychology student at Northwestern University.
The Bachelor of Science in Business Administration is a specialized program focusing on technical and analytical aspects of business. It prepares students to develop potential in data-driven decision-making, qualitative methods, and problem-solving skills. With a degree in Business Administration, you can become a purchasing officer, office administrator, advertiser, and more. Be a BSBA student at Northwestern University.
Welcome to the future.
This DJ can keep it up.
107.5 U Radio. Your university, your radio.
Welcome to the future. Welcome to the here and now.
So, welcome back to Siyasit Podcast 2.0. Now, let's talk about the benefits and challenges. Any thoughts, Leanne and Giona?
Number 1, safety.
Construction is one of the most dangerous industries.
Totoo, apay met dangerous,
Kasi
Leanne.
future technologies can detect hazards before accidents happen.
Imagine man nagado nga imagine a smart helmet saying, warning, falling object detected above you. Kunana.
Better than hearing, uy! After nahulog, di bagay?
Exactly.
Number 2, efficiency.
Oh, mas faster di construction na nukwan.
Yes.
Robots can handle repetitive tasks.
So, jiggy workers, they can focus more, they just important na responsibilities and kasi the robots do.
Correct.
So number 3, a better communication.
Especially for foremen.
Instead of calling everyone one by one,
The system updates everyone instantly.
At can adapt group chat that.
hopefully, awanti zero zone, di ba? Zin, di ba?
Zinzone? Ada ba?
Yes,
Ada ba
Zinzone.
sisin di dyan? Baka met sa dalaag sino at dasweldon. Di ba?
Naka-off the read receipts da.
Ay, sumet lang. Tano agi-mention siguro ni Foreman no kan isot pinagsinda. Ay, dadagi di sweldo yun. No, may kiagalan. Kunada siguro.
Pero syempre, hand perfect.
Biggest challenge siguro ko cost, di ba?
Totoo. Kasi
Happy
ang
with
mahal
cost.
ng ano. Ang
Any
mahal
thoughts,
ng
Dayan?
advanced ang mahal talaga ng advanced technology.
True. So, especially for a smaller construction, amutay meten, pati gasolina ngumimina, di ba?
Well, true.
Masaping nga challenge ko siguro ko over-dependence, di ba?
So, what if the system crashes? Nag-crash the system.
Agawan ti internet, kasanuan na.
Then, workers still need traditional skills, di ba?
Yeah, technology.
Kailangan lahat natin traditional
Yes,
skills.
technology should help people not replace skills.
Oh, very important point ka dyan, girl.
True.
Also, some people fear robots taking jobs.
Pero possible na instead of replacing workers, new jobs will created. Diba?
Like robot maintenance specialists.
AI construction coordinators.
Drone operators.
So the future job titles, nag-cool na talaga. So imagine this, in year 2050, ano to tawtawin yun, Layan kan yun? Sawa yun.
Diyan mo no maabutak pa deta nga year. Baka wed.
Pay-api di maabutan.
Alakit, di tayo met amo ti future, di ba? Pero, di ba? At danto siguro, anak ni Giona nga talon, minudua.
Baka limba ka.
Ay, shit. Inang nakto.
Again, shout out sa mga classmates natin dyan.
Sa mga nanonood dyan sa taas.
Instructors. And, of course, sa mga netizens. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Shoutout kami Tengyona.
Ang i-shoutout mo kumamit ni Labidabs mo.
Sino DJ?
Sino ba?
Ay, yan.
Ni Ian ka no. Ala Ian.
Si Galisa.
Sa siya awan may shoutout ko tapta ah.
Ang supportive naman. Buibuya nga tasuna keng ka?
Dapat lang. Sana Sana nagbuy-buya.
Again, so the future foreman might not need stacks of papers anymore kasi anda robot tayon. So anan to lang kabailan danan to lang responsibilities dan. Di ba, Lian?
Instead, they could use smart glasses that show project updates in real time.
Oo, kasi ang naka-filter lang dyan TikTok.
Except, instead of dog ears, kat building progress, di makikita dan, di ba?
So, deta manin. At tuita manin, imagine.
Imagine again.
Ang kay ba maumat imagine ko?
Imagine.
Okay. Imagine a foreman looking at the structure and seeing building progress 82% complete ko na nagarod.
Pinag-satisfying mete.
Yes, future construction workers could also have robotics assistants, di ba?
Hindi na ikaw yung magbubuhat ng mabibigat na materials all
Pay-apihan nga
day.
sikat agbuhat materials. Heavy materials, Lian.
Kit damit da kita robot kayo.
Yes.
So, ada ka-share that workloads tayon.
Unlike di kita do mga tattao, di ba?
Ay!
Ay, hugot. Ano ang data?
Hindi dyan.
Sweet.
Ay, shit. Private day dyan yet.
Yes.
Kasi construction materials lang po ang binubuhat natin dito, hindi emotional baggage.
Balinmet. Charot.
Okay, girls, mabilis ang tanong.
Game.
Future or not lang tayo batyo? Game?
Game. Let's go.
Drones checking construction site?
Future.
Definitely future.
Future. Robots helping workers? Kaya
Future.
yung marod
Future yan. Future. Ala naman na pass.
How about AI giving safety reminders?
Future din.
Yes.
AI giving relationship advice?
Ay, delikado yan. Delikado yan. Di yan pwede.
ChatGPT.
Chat GPT. Sana ito ibaga. Isinamon. Madidesan ko na nan, di ba? Apay so nagarod. Chara. Gaduman sa eko.
Go.
So, at the end of the day, hindi pala about kung papalitan ba ng technology ang foremen and construction workers.
It's more about how they will grow with technology.
Kasi yes, mas magiging advanced ang tools, AI, drones, and smart systems.
With the advancement of technology, adun tuti agbago in the future rin.
Yes.
In just one click, we can navigate everything. Social media. May
Yes.
stock tayo amin, di ba guys?
Yung ability na mag-decide kapag hindi ka na kaya ng system, di ba?
Yung instinct na hindi kayang i-program.
Anat instinct mo manin, layan.
Ala, imagine! Imagine ka tayo
Imagine
nga
man
instinct ka da. Uston ta imaginein.
Okay, pero hindi pa rin mawawala ang human
True.
judgments, experience, and diskarte. Kailangan diskarte. Diskarte o diploma?
Both. Nasa Pilipinas tayo.
Both. Okay. So basically, machines can calculate everything.
But humans understand everything.
Especially yung mga bagay na hindi nasusukat like safety, timing, at teamwork.
Okay, so if we think about it, the future of construction is not just buildings. Apihaan lang buildings, layan.
Smarter system.
Safer workplace. pa.
Smarter systems? Ano pa eh? More efficient ways, di pa ng built dreams tayo.
So, Whether you are future foreman, engineer, architect, or construction worker,
Or someone still figuring life out, you know?
You are still part of building the future.
because at the end of the day, technology can assist.
Machine can support.
But still, it's people who decide, and dream.
The future.
Go lang.
The future is not automated, it is constructed by humans.
So this has been Siyasip Podcast 2.0.
Thank you for listening.
See you on the next episode.
Bye!
Bye.
Welcome to the here and now. Welcome to the future. What you know.
This DJ can keep it up.